Chris. How are you?
Doing all right, thanks. Ooh, ready for a little break, that's for sure. Um, hey, so you're working on getting the log setting, right?
Correct, Chris.
Okay. Um,
So yeah, that's what I was a bit confused. In that show SQL, if you make it to disable, we cannot see the SQL. I mean, if there is
right.
any issue in prod or something, right, there, Chris?
No, I totally get it. Uh, no, I get it. So let's just for right now, just cut it back for it. Just cut it back.
Okay.
It would be nice if they would just. No, it's fine. It's fine. Just do that. Just roll it back. Just roll it back,
Okay.
and then um, and then just set everything to like info level.
ఏమన్నాడు మనం చేయమంటున్నాడు కోడ్
Um, and then set everything to info level, and then if we have a problem, then we'll turn it back on, and we'll look at it, and then we'll flip it back.
Okay, sure. You want me to do that change right now, Chris?
Yeah, let's do that right now. That help those guys out because
Okay.
it's dropping the server. So, um, second item is admin, the shared admin cache.
Show admin cache.
Okay, so let me ask you this. For your local IRB, are you using a local database or a remote database?
For IRB local database itself, Chris.
Oh, so you have a local database with all your information. So then you should be able to point your.
One moment. For E3 server, you mean, right? Sorry.
Yeah.
For E3 server, yes, localhost MSQL.
Okay, so then you should just be able to point the shared admin at that database.
Okay.
Right, because that shared admin is going to write directly to the database.
Okay.
Unfortunately, that's what it fucking matters.
Yeah. I'm just trying to find you. I mean, it's Slack call where it is.
What's that?
1 second. చేంజ్ చేయమంటున్నాడండి ఆడేదో అడేదో చెప్పాడండి మీకు మీరే చెప్పాలి నాకు ఆన్సర్ అడే నాకు అర్థం కదా ఐఆర్బీకి చేశాం కదా E3 సర్వర్కి So for the short mean, Chris, like where can I get all the details, the local DB details and everything? But for IRB, I think John Hart provided me those things. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, let's look at it. Hold on, I'm gonna show you my screen, and I only have 5 more minutes, and I need to
Oh, okay. Okay.
Let's look at something. So this is the project, shared admin service. So you're gonna have the source, main, resources. Where are you? Application.yaml. Oh, actually, it looks like they're using this. I hate that people do this. Your application YAML should be your default setting for blah, 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 blah. You just need to make sure that you have this user associated to your database account. DevDB.
Okay. I did that, Chris. Yeah.
This URL is interesting.
Yeah, this step I did that. Yeah.
Proxy IRB forward host QA IRB classic.internal. Okay, that's some kind of classic. So where is this being resolved from? Oh, it's a property. It's a parameter on the URL.
Okay.
That's fucking annoying. That is so fun. Why would you fucking do that? I'm sorry. I don't like, anyways, forget it. So for
That's
this,
fine.
you should just be specific. That right there should say localhost 20, whatever the port number is, and MySQL about it. You should just do that, and then you just check it out and you hit run, and it just works. If you're a local developer, if you check the code out, it just works for you. Right, and you might have a Docker container that's configured to have this username and this password, and it has some default data for you to use. Yeah, you should have that too, sure. Anyways, that's just my personal opinion, and I think it makes a lot of sense to do it that way. Because you will have
Yeah,
more
I
people
need the
checking it
DevDB
out and
environment
starting it up.
variable. Yeah,
So anyways, you're going to need to provide the data source URL as a parameter when you start the
yes, Chris.
application.
Yeah, exactly. I need the DevDB, URLs and credentials.
So that DevDB URL is the same URL that you are using in for your E3 local developer thing, right?
E3 server local.
Yes.
Okay, I got it now. Okay.
Do you understand what they're doing?
Yes, I do have the credentials for the host and credentials for E3 server. Yeah.
Yep. So so this application is going to point at that same E3 data services database too.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I didn't notice and I didn't observe. Yeah, that makes sense, Chris. Yeah.
Cool. And then what it does is it reads from a queue and it pulls in these changes and yada yada yada. Just get it to the point where you can get it to start up and just provide this DevDB and give it the same URL as that. And if you don't have, I suspect you have both of these parameters, username, admin flyway, and the password is this. But you can check, and if you don't, then I would suggest just change this.
Yep.
Also, you're going to have to set active profile local dev, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you'll want to do that too. Set your local active profile, string.active profile, local -dev, right?
Correct.
You know what I'm
Correct.
saying?
Yeah, correct, Chris. Yeah, I need to set up this one. Can you ping me this username and password here?
This here.
Okay, 1 second.
Here.
So local, it's okay, Chris. Like, where can I get the in dev? Like, where can I get
What do you
remaining
mean?
DB details and everything for each environment?
You don't need them. You don't want them.
Okay, okay,
You
okay
don't
then.
want them. You don't want them. Let the DBAs, let the admin folks, let them just take care of that business.
Okay, because some tasks are completely relating to the database. That's why I'm just asking. Okay, that's fine, Chris.
Oh,
And
they are? Well, we should talk about those. Which ones are they?
tasks you are saying?
Yeah.
For the Douglas College issue, and I just created one DevOps ticket to run in production or something.
Okay. Well, is Ryan giving you help looking at that database for like the Douglas problem, or this is the one where you can't create roles?
Yeah, that one. Not that one, the other one that I was working. I was working few of the tasks parallelly. So this roles one is not clarity, Chris. Like whatever we need to do, we need to get some confirmation from QA team or whoever created the ticket. I just conveyed the same to the team this morning in the call. So they are working on replicating the issue in their local. So they will get back us.
Okay.
Yeah, we put the at the rate transaction, right? That for only update and delete query, but they are saying for the new users as well, they are getting the error, right? So if that is the case, then we need to do the for insert queries as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I'm just checking. So for local, in local, like how you are executing the queries, Chris? You are directly using IntelliJ and executing the queries, or
So first off, I don't have this project running locally.
oh, okay,
I do
okay,
very little development anymore. I have like 6 product teams that I oversee.
oh, okay, okay.
And
Sorry, I thought
you're just one of them.
okay, I thought it's
You're
running on your local. Yeah, sorry, my bad.
no, you're just one of them. Yeah. So, but what I would suggest for you to do is get this shared admin running locally, and then you can start, understanding the code and what it's doing. And what you're going to discover is this code is writing to the IRB database,
Okay.
but it gets information from a queue.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, anyways,
ఏంటిదండి?
anyways, um,
Yeah, it's
okay.
yeah, Chris. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go. I got another meeting, and yeah, we'll touch base later.
Yeah, sure, Chris. Like for this one, like I just need to do that change, right? I mean,
Yeah, you need to set an environment variable. So you go into
yeah, that's fine. I got it, Chris. Yeah, you can.
okay.
Yeah.
You go in and you set an environment variable and you can do it. You can do it. Here, let me see if I can get this to show us real quick. I'll just show you a shortcut.
Mhm.
Come on, start up. Here we go. So if I go like this, and you have some kind of thing here, you can edit the configuration. And
Plus
right here,
Ramen,
environment, right? You can set
environment
variables
variables,
here,
and
like
click on the
dev
document.
db or blah 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 equals the URL that you're using for S3, and then Spring Boot. You can set your active profile down here, local dev.
Got it, Chris. Yep.
Okay, cool. That'll get you where you need to be.
Yeah, I'll set it that, Chris. Yeah.
Okay, all right, man. Thanks, Monty.
Awesome, Chris. Yeah. Looks
Yeah,
great
you're
to
doing
see you
great.
after a long time.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Chris. Bye. Yeah, pal.